back to my channel. So for today I have a DIY. We are going to be doing an industrial inspired shelf using items from Walmart that are $3 or less. So let's get this started. For supplies, you're going to need 2 of these hanging wooden pallet planks. They're $2.54 at Walmart, and I found them in the crafting section area. You can get them in a white color or a regular wood color. I also found them at Dollar General for about $2.50 in the regular wood color. You're going to also need 3 of these shelf brackets. The ones pictured are 8 by 10 inches, but I bought mine in 6 by 8, and the 6 by 8 were 97 cents, and they came in the colors black and white. And I found these in the tool section area of Walmart. You will need these 3/8 inch screws. I found these at Home Depot for $1.18. You will also need some sort of heavy duty glue. I use Gorilla Glue. It costs about $3 at Walmart, but I didn't include it in the initial price because I already had it at home. And the same goes for these metal clips. I believe you can get them at Dollar Tree. I also didn't include them in the price because I had them at home. So first you're going to take those wooden pallet planks and you're going to remove the rope twine that it hangs by detaching all of the staples that were in it. So then you have a nice, bare, smooth piece of wood. And you're going to do that on both wooden pallets. Next, go ahead and take those pallets and decide what part you want to be the top and the bottom of your shelf, and go ahead and align those shelf brackets to the ends of your pieces of wood. Then you're going to attach both pieces of wood by combining them both with a third shelf bracket. So this is me going ahead and trying to screw them in. It was a little difficult to do this on camera. And next you're going to take your Gorilla Glue or whatever wood glue that you have, and you're going to add extra strength between the 2 pieces of wood by putting the glue there. Now you may have a little bit of a mess. This is easy to clean up and wipe down before it dries. You're going to take a clip, some sort of metal clip, and go ahead and hold it all together by attaching it onto the shelf. Let it dry overnight. I suggest about 24 hours, and when you're done, it will be nice and sturdy and strong. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that DIY. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.